Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to create boards on Pinterest. Log into your Pinterest account. Click on Create and click on Create Pin. Choose your file you want to upload. And then, fill in the details of your pin such as the title, description, link, board, and tag topics. After you're done, click on Publish. View your pin. Click this small lock logo here and click this add sign. Go to product pins and select all the product pins here that matches your image and click on save products. And here is the tag products. Click save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!